Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how Java works. Imagine you are using internet banking web application implemented using Java. Do you know how that is working? And so you are able to access that web application. First source file need to be created by developers. Now that source code is being compiled to by a Java compiler to create a bytecode. Okay, so one need to convert that source code to bytecode, right? So for that compiler is required. So this Java is nothing but Java compiler, right? So this is the compiler which used to convert source code into the bytecode, right? So source code is nothing but this is high level language, we can say, human understandable language, which is used by developers to write the source code. Now Java compiler take this source code and it converts into the bytecode, right? So once bytecode is getting converted, right? So the main question is why bytecode, right? What is the use? Okay, why it is required? So as you guys know that Java is platform independent, correct? Java is platform independent, but do you guys know what makes Java platform independent? Do you guys know what makes Java platform independent? Let me explain you. Because of JRE, Java is platform independent. Okay, just make sure because of JRE, Java is platform independent. Okay, so what is JRE basically? So Java runtime environment. Okay, again this is related to Java only. So this is Java runtime environment. Because of this, Java is platform independent. So since Java is platform independent, we require a platform, right? We require a platform where you can run this bytecode. Okay, where you can run this bytecode. Okay, because this is not a machine understandable code. Okay, this is not a machine understandable language. Okay, so we need some platform, right, which will convert this bytecode into machine understandable language, right? So and that platform is nothing but JVM. Okay, so JVM is nothing but a platform where you can run this bytecode. Okay, so in the between, I can say JVM will come into the picture. This bytecode will be taken by the JVM will again interpret and it will convert into assembly or machine code. Okay, so JVM is nothing but it is a Java virtual machine. Okay, so it is a virtual machine, but this virtual machine will only execute bytecode. Okay, this bytecode will be executed by this JVM. Okay, so just remember this bytecode is being executed by the JVM and JVM convert assembly machine code. Okay, so this virtual machine will execute the bytecode and convert bytecode to machine understandable code. Okay, and this is finally executed by the machine. Okay, so now I in the starting only I talked about that every day in day-to-day basis you guys use internet banking application, right, which is developed on Java. Okay, so for example, you are a developer, you have written this source file. Okay, this source file is nothing but for internet banking application of State Bank of India or any bank. Okay, imagine that you have written this application as a developer, okay, for internet banking. Now and here is public. Okay, means here it is a user, okay, who is going to use this internet banking application. Okay, now the thing is you have implemented the logic. Okay, now from here to here how the journey is, once you have written, you will compile the code. What is this code written by developer, right? You will compile this code using Java C. Okay, so what Java compiler will do, it will create a bytecode of your application. Okay, bunch of this programs whatever you have written for internet banking. Okay, so once bytecode has been generated, okay, on the server, right, wherever we are deploying, right, our application. So application is nothing but when we go to deploy, right, so that is a jar file or var file. Okay, we create a jar file, Java archive or var file. Okay, so any of these two we used to create. So jar file is nothing but a collection of this bytecode, executable bytecodes. Okay, so when you upload this jar file into any of the cloud system or any server, either it is AWS or Azure cloud, okay, anywhere in the server, when you deploy, so in the server this JVM will be installed or JVM will be there, right? Now this jar file will be executed by each and every bytecode will be executed by JVM, okay, and machine understandable code will be created there, okay. So finally this code will be running, machine understandable code will be running into the server, and when user hit www dot any internet banking application, okay, website.com, okay, so what will happen, it will come to this application and finally the response he will get, okay. So this is nothing but all the details, okay, all the details about how it is working. So moreover I can show you one more thing for better understanding. One second. Yes, so let's look at this diagram how it is working, okay. So this person is a developer, okay, he is a developer, he is writing a code, okay, he is writing a code, okay, hello world code, okay. Now so this is human understandable code, not machine understandable, right? So this code using Java compiler, it is being compiled, okay, and after compiling it generates a byte code, right? You are able to see, right? Hello world dot class. So this is the byte code which is generated by Java compiler, okay. This byte code will be read by JVM, Java virtual machine, okay. It will try to read this byte code, and what JVM will do, it will create a machine understandable language, it will create a machine understandable code, okay. Now so that is operating system, okay. So on, if any application is running on your desktop, right, so anyone can use, any person, any user can use this application, right? So this is the actual working of Java, okay. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this concept and videos, please just hit a like button, just put some comments, and if any kind of video on the software development you want, then feel free to mention in my comment box. Thank you guys for watching.